So, civic sense in India is dead. It is apparently the talk of the town.
But
And
we disagree. Not because we have civic sense, but we never had civic sense. It can't die because we just
yeah,
never had it. And it all started from that one girl's reel, right?
yeah. So
Yeah.
it's like like a new content creator, influencer, Amulya, and she just posted a reel where she's doing like a fit check, and some guy walked past, and she just came to the camera and frustrated like, "There's no civic sense in India,"
Hmm.
and people have been bullying her that, "Oh, you're in a public space. How do you expect people to stop for your video? You
Yeah.
want people to stop their work and give you that space to record a video in a public setting? No, they were like, ghar pe you record or whatever." So, see, I get both points sort of.
Exactly.
Like, even if
See,
I'm taking a.
both parties are right. It's just it's such a stupid topic to even be fighting upon. I mean, she made a reel when she was frustrated. They are technically right, but they don't need to blow it out of proportion to make their point.
I
Is
mean,
the only
and
thing.
they're just bringing that content creator part to it. But even if you're a normal human, not a content creator, and you're just taking a photo and someone disturbs, you also get annoyed.
Yeah, when you're at like Taj Mahal and
Yeah.
someone is like, coming in a photo, you will get annoyed. I mean, people who are pretending that they won't, I mean, well, then I don't know.
I
That's
don't
crazy.
think that
Yeah,
really happens. Everyone gets
everyone
annoyed.
is like, oh, shit. It's
So,
very normal.
yeah. But this makes me kind of think about how when we say people in India don't have civic sense, but when they go out, they suddenly have a lot of civic sense.
I don't know, like when you then think about like foreign countries.
Yeah.
I don't think that's true. Indians are famous for not following any of the
But they
country's rules and
definitely
regs.
improve by like a little number or whatever.
Yeah, I mean they probably have civic sense in Singapore where there's a fine to like throw stuff because they are just
Yeah.
chindi.
No, but even like when you're crossing a road in India, they won't stop the car, they won't stop for you. But when you're like crossing a road somewhere else, even I went to Kerala, even the people in the south are so nice, they would stop cars and all. But North India people are just like, why
And we
should
are
we?
like peak north, like where everyone from north is just doing
Yeah.
their
But then when you go
intense
out,
stuff.
when we went on like a Thailand trip, everyone was stopping cars. Like
Oh,
it
yeah.
was so nice.
Like Southeast countries have
even when-
amazing manners.
Yeah,
and
even
shit.
Middle East when we were there, they would stop cars. They would be so polite. It was really nice, I think, that way. So, civic sense in India is okay, fine. Maybe it's a little not there, non-existent.
Mhm.
But can you say the same for other countries, or are you targeting like Indians as a whole, or just people as a whole? What are your thoughts on that?
I mean, the Indians in India. See, it is a generalization, of course. It does not mean that 100 out of 100 or 10 million out of 10 million or 100 crores out of 100 crores people don't have civic sense.
Yeah.
The general population does not. It's a fact. I mean, that's a fact. I don't even think that we need to justify that. Everyone knows that we don't have it. People who live people who live abroad might have developed more civic sense because of the environment and the culture that they are surrounded
Yeah.
by. People who are traveling, I don't know if they have, to be honest, that much civic sense. But even if they do, that's just because they feel they obviously have to be if they are at a fancy hotel
Yeah.
or a nightclub or something. They
Right.
are expected to follow certain code. I think that's about it. But I think I see those like the news about it all the time that a group of men were being this and that. किसी ने यहाँ पे कुछ कर दिया, someone did that. I don't know. I mean, so I don't
And
like
we
really
live in
agree.
Noida. And in Noida, it's so apparent.
Yeah.
So one of the most common examples I see every day is I go in the metro, and people are watching reels at full volume. I'm so annoyed by it, but I literally cannot do anything. Because if you even tell them, they'll just start fighting with you for no reason.
Yeah.
Ki, oh,
And you don't want to end up in one of those videos where your metro
Metro
fight. That's like
Kalesh. And the
that's
thing
like
is-
a kalank on your reputation. Like I would
Yeah.
like die if like a video of me fighting in Delhi metro goes viral. I would die.
Yeah.
I'd be like, oh my god, this is like the lowest moment of my life.
And not even just reels. People are on video calls with their boyfriends and girlfriends. They're so loud, or just with their family, and then they're just on call. Girls just sit on the floor in the
I hate
ladies'
that.
coach.
I hate
There are people squished itne jagah mein, and they are sitting as say like, oh yeah, this is my house. I am sitting here.
And I hate
So
and then
that is
they'll keep
also-
their bag
Yeah.
and then they'll get annoyed if you like stand next to them, but it's made for standing.
Literally. sometimes I do intentionally just stand next to them and be like, oh, sorry, sorry. Because, like, if you can't have civic sense, don't expect me to have it too. I think that is the problem. Nobody
Yeah.
wants to be the better person. Nobody
Yeah.
wants to be the bigger
Of course.
person.
And
But
why would they? I mean, like, they're just like, oh, I'm just going to work. Like, it's like a grind for them. Like, most people for us,
yeah,
right?
even we like come to the park every weekend, and one of the most common things I've seen is people just standing and blocking the path.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like if the parks with the paths are not like huge like a road, they're small and they just stand. They're checking their phone on the beach, like on the in the middle. They're just talking, and also it's really
Metros, it reminds me of one more thing. Like, it's a global, like, tradition, custom,
hmm,
fact, what's the right word? Like, a way of doing things is that when you're exiting a gate, you let the people who are
yeah,
inside exit first, then you enter. That goes for elevators, that goes for any sort of, maybe you are at like some hotel gate,
yeah.
that goes for, of course, metro. And people don't, and like, you are like rushing in when people are trying to get out, which is like, where, why, like, why, how can you even do
Exactly.
that?
And it's really annoying because then there is always this one uncle, if you go to the normal coach, is screaming, please, jaga banao, jaga, andar jao, andar.
Also in the women's court, some auntie,
Yeah.
side,
And yeah,
adjust. I'm
like,
like,
see, there's no
Bill, you
space.
go adjust.
Yeah. And one of
Why
the,
the hell?
and this also reminds me the gate thing that whenever you go to like a public place or like college or office or whatever,
Mm-hmm.
you open the door. Like if there's a person entering and you're exiting,
Hmm.
and you open the door, so you like be like, okay, you go first, and then you leave. Do you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. So I've noticed a lot of people who don't do that, who don't keep the door open for you. Like
Hmm.
even if it's like you're literally right there. I think that's also like a part of civic sense, or is that
That is, I mean,
that's
that's more
manners?
important. That's basic manners. I mean, to be honest,
Yeah,
and that, to be honest, is very subjective. I mean, if you are at like a office space, like if you
yeah.
go to the office, then of course people, and that people do that. Most people do
I
that, right?
don't
When
think so.
they,
People do that.
I don't know. I mean, in my office, most people do that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh.
like they keep they're like, oh yeah, sure.
Oh.
And if like it's also awkward, and you don't want to keep it open if they're like 4 5 steps
Ha
behind,
ha
because
ha.
then
That
it's
is
awkward.
weird. That is
But
weird.
I don't know about that, because if you're at a mall, then
Mall is
it's
a
fine.
no.
Like
The
a
mall is a
public
different
space
setting.
is fine. Like,
Yeah, yeah,
you
yeah,
just
yeah,
open the
yeah.
door for yourself. And if you see like an elderly person or like a woman, or someone with like a lot of bags, that's basic manners. But I don't know if it would fall under civic sense, to be
True.
honest.
But do you know that reel
But I
about the
think these civic sense manners is just so like intertwined.
intertwined?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
very
yeah.
difficult to separate. Is what might
Fair.
mean manners to me might just mean,
Yeah.
yeah, basic decency. I don't know. It's very
Forget civic
complex.
sense. I don't think a lot of people just have sense. You know. So that's
Yeah,
also a
true.
very important. Like the people say, oh, common sense is
It's
not that
not
common.
common, which is
Sort
true.
of that way. It's
I mean, to
true.
be honest, common sense is not that common. So
It
how do you
literally is
expect?
not. Oh my god, I'm so shook when people say the dumbest thing. Or
And I'm pretty sure, but you also said some dumbest thing to someone, and they probably
yeah,
thought the
so
same of you.
I have this one moment where I remember we were doing like a space design, and someone suggested let's put glass and mirrors, and for some reason I just said, oh, would mirrors make the space look smaller? And it's a known fact that mirrors make a space look bigger. Like trial rooms and all, they just
Yeah.
appear bigger. And I felt so okay, that's more of a like a technical maybe
Yeah.
thing, but I felt so dumb, and I still remember it. It was like the start of my job, and I was like, shit, they probably think of me as such a dumbo person. It's a very common sense in like our
Yeah.
field. So
That's like very normal. I don't think that is that much of
no,
a.
if you're like in a architecture interior field, it's like the dumbest question. It's like so dumb. But then
So how did you react after that? The minute you said it.
they're like, no, it's actually will make the face look bigger, right? And I was like, oh, right. I just said, oh, right.
Alright.
I was like, fair, okay, ठीक है. But yeah.
That's still like that. Like, that's not common sense. I mean, I've seen people struggle over much worse topics. So I don't know if that is like really common sense.
There are so many dogs, and I
Yeah.
am so scared. Oh, but they're chill.
Yeah, that like
They have
literally,
civics.
I'm not even kidding. We are surrounded by like 4 5 dogs right now, and they're just like sleeping around us. and
They have definitely more civic sense.
than normal people.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah,
we
but they're
can't
just
be.
chilling. They don't
Yeah,
like
I
really
thought
care.
well, okay, they'll disturb, but they're chilling. Chilling.
Cool.
Yeah. But yeah, coming back to that reel thing.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that was like
So
crazy.
just the reel
And
is
to be
fun.
honest, I'll say that all the recreations and the funny takes that I saw on that, like even like Ori made one, like so many people have made like a thing,
Yeah.
and none of them are funny.
Oh. I
I didn't find them funny at all. I'm just
see
like,
they're not inherently funny, obviously. It's not a funny reel. It's
Hmm.
just if you know the incident, then you
I
realize
know the incident. I saw
then
it.
you
And
realize that that person is just making fun of that girl.
I know, and I was just like, this is not like this. It was just not funny, even with
It's
the
the
context
thing
that I
is the
had.
matter is not that big enough.
It's just so
to
dumb. It's not even
make
funny.
it go
It's
viral.
just yeah, definitely.
You
It's
know,
not. It doesn't have any substance. I think this whole
true.
conversation
But it just blew out of proportion. It's
because
been
people love to hate on young women
yeah,
creators.
that's true.
It's the literally the takeaway I think. Because they're just like, oh yeah, you know.
Yeah, but like literally.
And I'm not saying that she was right in any way. Like she was sort of wrong in her opinion, but it should be just us on us to ignore that someone had like a hectic day. And
Yeah.
even if maybe okay, fine, let's assume that she does believe that influencers can like should deserve space if you're recording. And to be honest, that's also fair. Like if someone is taking a picture, we stop, right? We're just like, please continue. Then we walk behind them, or they themselves will like, please, you go first.
But I think the context matters in that. Like you said, like in a Taj Mahal setting, people know you're gonna be taking photos. But if you're on like a public market and you're taking a video, people would be like, this is not the place for it. But yeah, fine,
yeah,
continue.
yeah,
it,
but
bye.
like even if at a market someone is taking a photo, you'll just go walk behind them, right?
Yeah.
That's just basic manners, I feel. So I think that's fine, but of course you can't expect people to bend over backwards to help with your content. And even if she does believe that, let's say that X is a person who has a very strong opinion that if an influencer is doing it, you have to stop everything. It's fine. It's her opinion.
Yeah.
Even if she does
Fair.
believe that, why do you have to make it like okay, fine? You believe the opposite.
People have literally even worse
Zero.
opinions than this.
Yeah, I mean, this is not even like that big. She's not like suggesting some dictatorship or some
Yeah.
fascism. It's a normal opinion, and if she has that, if anyone, and I'm not even talking about the creators. If anyone has an opinion, why can't you just like scroll to the next
And the
video?
good part is that she came forward and she apologized for it, right?
Yeah.
So
and
she
after
made
all that drama, anyone would have to do that.
I mean, fair, but it's chalo fine. Even if you remove the part and how genuine that apology looked, she did her part. She made a wrong video. She
Yeah.
apologized.
Oops, something has happened.
Oh, so dogs are barking and I'm
Yeah.
scared. But they're just barking among themselves, I think. Anyway, so the creator came forward, she apologized. Even if you know, ignore how genuine or not genuine, a lot of people are like, it's just looking fake, it's not looking real. Even if you remove that, at least she did her part. Like,
And what
people have
more-
done worse things and apologized and gotten away with it. Can you stop looking like that? I'm like, there's a dog, there's no dog. She's scaring me like, our cat behaves this way. Anything, she'll be like
I'm
scared.
like, I'm in my cat
There is
mode. I'm like,
okay, there are a few dogs further away, but not here. Chill.
Yeah.
Don't scare me.
hmm.
But so
But I think it was definitely like,
no, I have more to say.
okay.
So she apologized and all. But she did the good part. But the worst part is that she is literally getting threats. She's getting abused online. She's getting bullied for such a small thing.
Yeah.
That is the literal lack of civic sense, I would say, in this
That's true.
context.
That's true. I mean, civic sense can also extend to digital world,
Yeah.
right? It's not always how you behave in the physical world. I mean, and digital is such a big part of it now, and you have to like, I don't know, the people who are, you're actually right. People who are commenting bullshit on her post are the people who lack civic sense, and they are the kind of people who would just push you in the metro and then run away.
Literally, I mean, there's no excuse for that part. Okay, fine. I get that she had a tiring day, she made a video, fine. But what is your excuse? why are you going and abusing someone after? Did you have a terrible day at work? Is
Yeah.
giving a comment, is leaving a hate comment giving you validation of some sort? Is it giving
Yeah.
you joy?
Yeah.
If it is, then you need help.
Yeah,
If
and
it's
it reminds me
not,
of that movie Kho Gaye Hum Kahan,
yeah, yeah,
and that
yeah,
guy
yeah,
sort of starts becoming a hater because of all the things that are going wrong with his life.
yeah.
And that's such a beautiful representation of, I think, this mentality, and I think I
True.
really loved that. God, that's a great movie. I need to watch that
Yeah, I
movie
do
again.
like that
I
movie
loved
actually.
that movie. I need to watch that again.
Yeah,
But I mean, yeah, that's what I mean. People who are commenting are the ones who need like a little bit of more
true. I agree.
guidance and education.
Yeah, but I think people is,
And okay, one more take.
yeah,
Digital, like social media is part of us right now. We can't say that oh everyone is on there. Creating content is so common. I mean, we are doing it right now, and we're doing it at a very public park. Like this is one of the most famous spots in Delhi, right?
yeah,
Uh, and you can't like really be surprised that oh my god that person is recording. Like that doesn't happen. Like 3-4 years back, it was like a shocky. Oh, you know that guy is dancing, that girl is taking photos,
yeah.
and you know it was like, and now it's just so common, and especially in urban cities. I can't, like, I don't know.
I think we spot like multiple people recording
every
every day.
every day, and you know when you're going to the metro, people are recording. Like it's very common now. So first of all, you can't like really pretend to be shocked, right? And even if someone is doing, if you are like, you know, let's say there's a road, you see someone is taking like a video, you have the option to just go behind them or go behind the camera. But some people, I have noticed, they do it with vengeance.
Yeah,
They're like, oh, I'm gonna do it. I'm not saying that that
Yeah.
is what happened or whatever. I'm just saying that people also have that anti, like, you know,
yeah, I get
anti-influencer,
it.
anti,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah,
whatever
yeah.
mindset,
Fair.
which is also like, I'm not saying everyone has that, but that is also, I think, a point that needs to be taken into consideration.
Yeah.
And I think, I mean, like, if you have the option to just avoid someone, hardly matters what the production value is. You know, maybe they're just doing it to send, maybe they're on the video call with their friend and they need to show it. I mean, they just, you know, just go around
Yeah,
like
fair.
kya cha raha hai tumhara, like
This reminds me, there's this one creator who makes these get ready with me in the metro. Have you seen that? She just puts her like a sticky thing on
oh
the,
I know
and then she makes this get ready with me. I said, so you can literally say that's disturbing people, but she has never like gotten a negative thing on her.
yeah.
People love her videos.
And a lot of people
So-
do it. Like there's one more, this metro outfit, like who does outfit
Yeah,
reels
if
and
we have done it so many times, we've
Yeah.
kept it on that pillar and we've
Yeah.
just taken photos because there's great lighting in the metro station.
for
Why
some
not?
reason, like why are metros so aesthetic?
Yeah. So
And,
we just
yeah.
do it sometimes, and I think it's fine. We definitely need to have more civic sense as a society,
Yeah.
but that extends to just be like the physical part of it. I think.
Yeah, but I think
And we need to
also
really
need,
stop hating on people and bullying girls and everyone.
yeah,
in
just
fact.
because they are cute and they are like, you know, doing
Oh,
well in
she
life.
posted that apology video, and the only thing I noticed, she has such good bangs. I'm like, what the hell? Her bangs are like so perfect. Why do I
Ah.
never get like bangs? I remember once I cut such ugly bowl cut type bangs that.
I unfortunately remember that. And
I think that was 2016.
was it?
I think so. I was probably like,
My
oh yeah, must have
God.
been.
That was a traumatizing era.
Was
for-
that phase? Today I'm dressed also like a 2016 girly. Dear Zindagi, for like Alia Bhatt vibe. But yeah, that's it.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
I mean, like, you know, to be honest, there's no like big conclusion to this
Yeah.
video because
There was not
is
one to start
like,
with.
yeah, there was not, like, it was just like we never had it.
Yeah.
We're just talking about this reel that went viral, and I mean, yeah, chill out.
Yeah.
and
Also, please subscribe to us if you like hearing us
Please.
yap.
please,
please.
we need it.
Stop begging.
Digital
the
begging.
digital
We
begging.
should do a video on digital begging also.
Yeah.
It's a upcoming thing
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
But yeah,
so
please
like,
subscribe.
share, subscribe if you
Yeah.
like it. We are just gonna do more yap sessions.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.